Hi, good afternoon. In this video I will solve exercise 9 of module 3 of the module discrete time Markov chains. Let us begin. Consider the following simplified internet model with 3 web pages only, A, B and C. Each website has got a number of links to the other one as specified in the table. We define the site's ranking as the number of visits that a random robot will take care on every website. So, from A, B, and C to A, B, and C. This table is only links. And we know that in order to create a Markov chain, we have to have probabilities instead of links. So, the sum of both links, like here, it will be 200, 100, and 1000. And in order to have the probability matrix, we have to divide that link between the sum of the links. Oops, sorry. So, as you can clearly see, I already done the matrix P and the Markov chains in order to be much quicker. So, for matrix P will be 100 divided by 200 here, so 1 over 2, as well as here. And here, 25 over 100, so 1 over 4, and 75 divided by 100, that is 3 over 4. 1000 divided by 1000 is 1. So this will be the Markov chains, and the exercise asks us if the matrix is periodic. And it is not periodic because the chain cannot return to the state only because the chains can return to the state only at multiples of some integer larger than 1. And in B, we have to obtain each one of the probabilities, of the ranking probabilities of the site. So, in order to do that, we have to use this formula, that is that the sum of all pi's must be 1, and pi times p should be pi. So, we do this, pi A, pi B, pi C, 0, 1 over 4, 1, 1 over 2, 0, 0, 1 over 2, 3 over 4, and 0. It will be equal to pi A, pi B, and pi C. So, pi B over 4 plus pi C will be equal to pi A over 2 will be equal to pi B, and pi A over 2 plus pi 3 pi B divided by 4 will be equal to pi C, and pi A plus pi B plus pi C will be equal to 1. And we have to discard one of those 3, and I will discard this one. So we can clearly see pi A divided by 2 will be equal to pi B. So if we substitute here, pi A divided by 2, 3 over 4 times pi A divided by 2 will be equal to pi C. And pi C will be equal to, I'll calculate it here, so 1 over 2 plus 3 over 8 should be equal to 7 over 8 pi A. So pi A plus pi over 2 plus 7 over 8 pi A will be equal to 1. So pi A will be equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 7 over 8. That will be equal to 8 divided by 19. Here will be equal to 4 divided by 19, and here to 7 divided by 19. So the steady state vector should be equal to 8 divided by 19, 4 divided by 19, and 7 divided by 19. So that's the end of the video, and stay tuned for the next videos.